this is the look I've been doing for a while now, so I figured I would try it out on camera. I mean, if you can't notice, only half my face has on makeup right now. So this half has on makeup and this half doesn't. Pretty much, this is my natural makeup look. This is what I wear when I have like the extra 10 minutes to throw on some makeup and bounce. So I wanted to show y'all exactly what that is composed of. On to the tutorial.
Can I get a moment of your time? Nah, I ain't gon' flash, ain't gon' like it. Can I get a moment of your mind? I'm trying to make you mine, let's exchange signs.
I'm gonna do my makeup in this little compact mirror right here, but let's get started. So the first thing I use is my foundation. Sometimes I use liquid, but for the most part I use powder. So this is the bareMinerals Blemish Ready, and I just use a brush. This is from my Coastal Scents brush set. That's what this is from. But it's time for a new brush because this is like, come on. It's time for me to upgrade life. Anyway, it gets the job done until I get a new one. So I just put that on all over my face. And I try to focus on the areas where I have hyperpigmentation, which is like right on the cheek line. To be honest, if I didn't have hyperpigmentation there, I wouldn't even wear foundation. But I do, and I'm working on it. It's definitely getting better. After foundation, I go ahead and do my eyebrow. And for my eyebrows, I brush them up. I use a spoolie to brush them up. Then I take my NYX micro pencil. You could do your whole brows with this one pencil, but I just line them. So I do the underline. And then for the top line, I don't start at the beginning of the brow. I move in some. So I start there and then I shape it. So to fill it in, I use some dip brow. This is the Ardell one. I use Anastasia, whatever it is, dip brow also, but that one was running out, and I have this, and this is more affordable, and it's definitely a dupe. Got this at Sally's. Then I use this to fill it in, and I really want to fill in the tail of the eyebrow, because that really should be the darkest part of your eyebrow, and that's where my hairs are sparse anyway. And once I got that filled in, I move up a little. Actually, don't even really need to touch this side, but I always do. And at the top, I draw the hairs in the upward motion. Good. Looking good, looking good. Looking good, looking good. Spoolie again, and I just kind of spread the product throughout the brow so it's not so rough looking. Next is my MAC concealer. Is that what this is though? Yeah, it's concealer. So MAC Studio Finish Concealer. I line under the brow. I blend that down with the brush. Then I take the brush and what's left on it, I use that to separate some of the hairs up top in the front section. So I just draw the line upward. Make it look more natural, right? Spoolie that back out. Now some people don't do the top, but I usually do the top because I have pretty thick natural brows. So I feel like when I line the top, it helps it look a little more neater, like that fresh wax look, even though it's not. Okay, eyebrows done. Only thing left now is my lip and my mascara. So for the lip, I'm a big fan of lip gloss right now. So this is the one by Victoria's Secret. They have great lip gloss. This is the clear one. It's in the color Sugar High. This is the same flavor I had in high school. So it was really nostalgic for me and I had to have it again. It took me a while to find, but I did. So I just put that on. It has like little sparkles in it. It just smells amazing. And now the last thing I have to do is my mascara. Now for mascara, I was introduced to this L'Oreal primer from a influencer box and I fell in love. That was good marketing because I got this once for free from influencer and I continue to buy it over and over and over. So here it is. You can pair it with whatever mascara you want. But I'm in love with the Lash Sensational's Curvitude. Like, this is really working for me. It makes me look like I have on fake lashes when I don't. So first you go in with the primer. And when you're doing it, you want to do one eye at a time. Because the primer will dry up and it's not going to be the right consistency to pick up the mascara if you do like this side and that eye and back and forth. So you need to do one eye at a time. Like I'm doing here. So I'll take out the primer. I'm very generous with this. It's white, so you can see where it's going on the eyelash at. Now the more you use though, the more you gotta cover up, so keep that in mind. So I usually put enough to see that, okay, my lashes are white. And then, I only use one coat of that too. I go in with my mascara. I like this brush because I can really get in there. I can really get in there with this real good. So, there. I think that's good enough for me. Now the bottom lash, some people do them, some people don't. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. This gives you such a bold top lash that you need to do something to the bottom. You don't have to use a primer, but... Yo, my light just went out. I'm sorry guys, as you can see, I'm darker now because my light just went out. And I'm gonna just finish this video. You know how to put on mascara. I apologize. Guess this is like one of those blooper effects. See, no YouTuber is perfect. Everybody has issues. I can't believe that just happened though. And if I get up to try to fix it, because it could just be a shortage, I'm going to be out of focus. So, whatever. Alright, but that's it. I'm done. This is how I leave the house. This is how I live my life. And it's dumb easy to get off at night. If you want a video on how I take off my makeup, then just let me know. Oh, if you haven't know about my headband, my Kente bandana, I made this myself. It's for sale in my Etsy shop. So the link to that is down below if you're interested. They're only 12 bucks. And I'm gonna be coming out with a whole variety of designs. So yeah, support your girl. Anyway, until next time, it's been real. It's your girl Stringles, and peace.